Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Chrysler Pacifica cabin air filter. First, locate the glove box on the passenger side of your vehicle. Open it up and remove everything inside to give yourself plenty of room to work. Next, you'll need to press in the two small tabs on the sides of the glove box. This will allow the glove box to drop down further, revealing the filter housing behind it. It's a straightforward process. Once the glove box is fully lowered, you'll see the cabin air filter housing. There are usually two small clips holding the cover in place. Simply unclip these, and the cover will come right off. Now, you can carefully pull out the old filter. Pay attention to the direction of the airflow arrow on the old filter. You'll want to match this when installing the new one. This step is crucial for proper filtration. With the old filter out, it's time to install your fresh one. Make sure the airflow arrow on the new filter points in the same direction as the old one did. Slide the new filter gently into the housing, ensuring it sits snugly and completely. Once it's in place, put the filter housing cover back on and snap the two retaining clips securely. You're almost done with this easy maintenance task. Finally, push the glove box back up into its original position. You should hear the side tabs click securely into place, indicating it's properly reinstalled. Don't forget to put all your belongings back into the glove box. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.